In this quick tutorial, I'm showing you two ways that you can turn a PDF into a Google form. So what we'll be using is this example PDF right here. So it's a mobile food vendor permit application form. It's quite a mouthful. It's essentially just a PDF. It's not even fillable, right? But we're using this as an example, and we're going to turn this into a fillable Google form that you can sort of share digitally. So the first way is by going to Weavely.ai. And under resources, you'll find this PDF to form converter. So it can't be more basic than this. You have a huge button, you click on it, and you just select the PDF that you want to turn into a fillable web form. So it's going to take a while, so it's AI based. It's going to go through the PDF, figure out which fields there are, what type of fields there are, so multiple choices, radio buttons, open text fields, and it's going to generate a web form for us. So technically, it's not going to be a Google form, but Weavely is essentially the same as Google Form. It's a free tool. It has everything that you have in Google Form, except that it looks better and you have some more features on top of it. So this is what it came up with. We have the applicants and business detail questions, the way we have them in our PDF. The number of employees. So for example, if you go back to our PDF right here, we see number of employees. Have you ever applied for a liquor license and the type of liquor license? And we find all of these questions right here in our form. So once we're happy with this, we can just go ahead, press publish, copy the URL, and then share that with the businesses that need to apply for our vendor permit, right? So this is completely fillable. Everything is fillable from the text fields to even actually checking whether it's an email address or not. So we have automatic field validation, and then we come to the point where there's these radio buttons that we can fill in. We even have signatures and upload buttons, that sort of stuff. So this is the first method. You go to Weavely.ai, there's this handy PDF to form button, or you can just start the platform from scratch and just upload a document. That also works, but this is the quickest way. So on to the second method, which is using a plugin inside of Google Forms, which is called AI Form Builder. So if you go to the Google Workspace Marketplace, you'll find it right there. Just press the install button and give it the necessary permissions, otherwise it can't do its job. Press continue. Yes, you need a whole bunch of different permissions. Press allow, and then it's ready to be used. And so the way that you use this is that once it's installed, you go to forms.google.com, if I can type correctly. Let's open up a new form, and then you'll see this puzzle piece right here, the add-ons, and you'll see your GPT form builder. So press open, and then you'll have a window pop up right here, which will allow you to upload a PDF and then generate the Google form for you. Now, the minor thing here, or the downside here, as you can see, this is a premium feature. So you'll need to pay in order to be able to upload a PDF and generate a Google form from it, while with the Weavely approach, both generating the form from your PDF as well as just sharing it and gathering unlimited responses is completely for free. So these are the two methods that you can turn a PDF into a Google form. If you're interested in forms and surveys as a whole, this entire channel is dedicated to that. So definitely like and subscribe and check out our other videos as well.